Tagalog time with Pen Pen. Game Pen. What's the Tagalog of ice?
Thank you, Mr. Boo. Bye.
I'm watching.
Dali na, you know that. Ice. Come on.
I don't know. Eyes.
Tagalog ng ice.
Muta.
Mata. Okay. Tagalog of hair. Hair. Pin. Hair. Tagalog ng hair.
Watching my vlog. I'm watching.
Hair.
Vlog.
Buhok. O, last na. Last one. Tagalog ng feet.
Oh no.
Feet.
Baha.